Hey y'all, I know my flow sick. I write my own shit. Don't introduce me to her. I pull my own bitch. Sky is the limit. Second places get laughed at. On another level, they can't even reach my calf shit. Sitting on the couch, but I'm blowing on that fish. And that bitch big. Call us Ron Fish. She thinks she from Jersey Shore. She spending the night on Flips. Chicken parmesan with the garlic bread. She flips. That's so funny though. I feel like I be like, yo, hey yo, regular, M.I., 2 L's, dollar sign. The booth is my classroom, and every day is Columbine. About to put this fucking rap game in the headlock. My flow cherry like that dog off a sandlot. The big bambino, the sauce in the squat. Leave call the cops, the girl is sauce in my top. I told him I'm a star, you can see it in my eye. And if you look hard enough, you can see me in the sky. Kush pack, boy, I get high different. Soft shit that got me looking at the sky different. New money got me looking at the mall different. I got 5 bitches, and they all different. My ex-girlfriend said I made a heart list, but it ain't taking too long to get a heart fixed. The same bitch that said she couldn't breathe without me. She wore my contacts. She couldn't see without me. But that's another chapter in the story called My Road to Success. No need to applaud. My hands on my balls. I'm used to the blues. B.B. King Mary. I'm used to the blues. You gotta live ugly before you live lovely. Pursue the happiness, baby. I'm on that Kid Cudi. Watch you spend the night and let the kid cut it. Now I'm joking. No, I'm serious as hell. Now the thug across the line and get checked like the mail. Hell, I'm the best. I'm bragging, I'm boasting. The real niggas getting real money, I'm toasting. Game on the line, look for me, I'm open. And like a freak bitch, oh.